Good morning, everyone. As some of you know, my name is Asaf Musani, and I'm a managing director with the NASDAQ OMX Group. Today, it is my honor and privilege to welcome Yandex, one of the leading internet companies in the world and one of the most innovative companies in Russia, to the market side to celebrate its IPO and first day of trading. I would also like to extend a warm welcome to Arkady Voloch, principal founder and CEO of the company, Ilya Segalovich, co-founder and CTO of the companies, and distinguished guests. At this point, I would like to introduce Bruce Host, Executive Vice President with NASDAQ OMX, for further remarks. Bruce, please.
Good morning, everyone. We are extremely pleased to welcome Arkady Voloch, principal founder and CEO of Yandex, and Ilya Segalovich, co-founder and CTO, as well as members of the management team and all of our distinguished guests to NASDAQ this morning. Today is a very exciting day for this highly anticipated IPO, and we're thrilled to have Yandex here to ring today's opening bell and to officially welcome you to the NASDAQ family. So congratulations. Yandex is one of the largest search engines in the world. It operates the most popular search engine in the Russian language, generating more than 64% of all search traffic in Russia. Yandex also generates traffic from other countries, including Ukraine, Kazakhstan, and Belarus. An example of tremendous growth in March alone, Yandex.ru website attracted 38.3 million unique visitors. But Yandex is more than just a search engine. The company aggregates and organizes extensive local, national, and international content and offers a broad range of additional services. All these services are location-based and are available in versions tailored for mobile and other digital platforms, positioning Yandex very much for future growth in this fast-growing mobile market. Yandex is the first IPO of a Russian company to come to the U.S. in the market since 2006, and today joins the other leading internet companies that are traded here on the NASDAQ stock market. We're very honored to welcome you today, and we look forward to celebrating many more milestones with Yandex for years to come. So now please join me in welcoming the CEO of Yandex, Arkady Voloch.
We're here today representing the 3,000 people of Yandex team. And I know they're following us on the internet right now in Moscow and in 9 other cities. Привет, ребята, найдется все. We also represent the Russian education system and the Russian science and culture, because we stay on the shoulders of giants. And at the same time, Yandex represents the new Russia, full of innovation and entrepreneurial spirit. Yandex simply couldn't have happened 20 years ago. We are not the only technology company in Russia. There are plenty of them. But I'd like to address those guys who are just starting out. Guys, stick to your ideas, grow them into real businesses, serve your audience, focus on quality, have fun, and get rich. It all is possible today. I'd like to thank everybody who created and continues to create Yandex. And a special thanks to you, our dear users. You always tell us what to do next. And thank you to our competitors, both Russian and international. You are all great companies, and with you, we become stronger. This is just the start. We're going to build a great company. We believe that there is a place in our world for a global technology company born in Russia. After all these 14 years, it's all the beginning.
So congratulations on your tremendous IPO, and it's great to welcome Yandex to the NASDAQ family. Congratulations.